Welcome back. It's time now for the Business Day. The government has launched a new centralized platform to allow businesses to register for a number of permits and track their approval. The Jamaica Business Gateway was launched on Wednesday with 14 application processes listed so far. Javon Keys has details.
Businesses have for long criticized the length of time some mandatory processes take through government. The Jamaica Business Gateway is, however, aimed at making some of those steps easier.
Today's launch is the beginning of a journey that will eventually see all of government's business services linked and integrated in a single online space.
JAMPRO President Shulette Cox says a few application processes have so far been onboarded, with plans to expand the offerings over the coming months.
The ministry, supported by JAMPRO and all of our partners, have a very ambitious plan to roll out an additional 35 processes on the gateway. Today, we have ticked the box on the first 14. We're currently in procurement for the next 26 processes that will be in place by the end of this fiscal year. And then we have a number of integration work to do to make sure that all the other government platforms that exist can be accessed through the gateway.
Minister of Industry, Investment and Commerce, Ormin Hill, says the platform should improve efficiency.
I know that time is a precious resource, and by streamlining processes and making government interactions happen on your time instead of government's time, which we know can be a little bit slow, we unleash the potential for greater entrepreneurship, innovation, and job creation.
For the Business Day, I'm Javon Keys.
And we go down to the foreign exchange market. The US dollar is being sold for an average $155.11. $116.85 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. The average cost for the pound is $193.23, while it's costing an average $168.88 for the euro. The JSE index fell by 2,392 points today, while the junior market index lost 17 points. Among the companies advancing, Epley 7.5% preference shares due 2024, Sterling Investments US dollar shares, JMMB Group 7.5%, Regency Petroleum, and JFP Limited. Now the decliners included KLE Group, MPC Caribbean Clean Energy, Everything Fresh, Jamaica Public Service 7%, and First Rock Real Estate Investment US dollar shares. And that's it for the Business Day. Good evening.